This is the Tapo C232 home security Wi-Fi camera. Let's see how to configure this camera with an Ethernet cable. First, plug the Tapo C232 into a power outlet. Now insert an SD card into the CCTV camera. Place your Wi-Fi router near the CCTV camera. Now take an Ethernet cable. Now connect an Ethernet cable from the Wi-Fi router to the CCTV camera. Go to your phone. Open the Play Store and install the TP-Link Tapo app. After installing, open the app. If you don't have a TP-Link account, create one. I already have an account, so I'm logging in with that. After logging in, tap on the plus sign. Tap Add Device. Tap Indoor Cameras. Now find your CCTV camera and select it. Tap Ethernet and tap Next. Turn on location on your phone. Now the CCTV camera is connected to the phone. Now you can change the name of your CCTV camera if you want. The installation of CCTV cameras has now been completed. Now you can control CCTV cameras from your phone. This is how you can install the Tapo C232 CCTV camera with an Ethernet cable.